Hello, everybody. Welcome to Duality Mondays. My name is Mark Radcliffe. I'm VP of Sales and Marketing for Duality. We also have our great CEO here today, Haroon Hamid. Haroon, how you doing?
Pretty good, Mark. How you doing?
I'm good. You know, Haroon, I don't know if you know this or not, but there's quite a large event happening tomorrow on November 5th in the United States. It's all elections, federal, local, it's the whole deal.
Yeah. I mean, it is definitely going to be dramatic.
Yes.
Dramatic. I mean, it's bigger than the Penguin.
Wow, Penguin was pretty big too.
Yeah.
But with elections comes lots of market movement, no matter what happens, right? So we thought for this Monday, and we'll see what you think here, Haroon, but I was thinking we could hit up two stocks that are closely related to the election, which is DJT, Trump Media, and then also Tesla as well.
I think that's a great plan, Mark.
All right.
That's the way to go.
So Duality Finance, for those of you who are new to the channel, it is a tool that uses AI to complete huge meta-analyses of stocks in just a few seconds. And one of the outputs that it gives are stock price forecasts and predictions, as well as complex reports that can be used to make lots of trading decisions. So, Haroon, what would you do with DJT as you look at this report?
So, Mark, you know, I'm generally a short-term investor, and so I really like to focus on, high percent likelihoods in the short-term spectrum, But, looking at DJT, we're really getting a lot of high likelihoods in the latter spectrum. And, while I'm really ambivalent about, who wins tomorrow, and I would probably put some money down on Trump, but the stock, it doesn't look like, according to the AI analysis, is going to do that well in the short term, and the long term price prediction is definitely low. So in this case, I would probably buy a put and go against my usual behavior and make it a long term put.
Oh, wow. Going long term. I don't know what to do with this, Haroon. I feel like I have to do a short term. Well, we trust the numbers, right? And that's the main thing. Like with trading is you've got to be objective. You don't want to go on emotion, right? And that can really affect your. Yeah, I think for me, I see it going down too. I think I'm going to wait like 48 hours. Because one of the things I know about DJT is that the volatility is pretty high. So what I might do is I might agree with you, create something that makes money on the downside, but I might sell like a call spread or something like that, above the current price. That way I'm collecting. I love to collect premium. That's my favorite, Haroon. So that's
smart.
See how I do. So we'll take a bet here and we'll see how
Let's see how it goes. That's how it goes. But I'm pretty sure it's going to go down. I'm pretty sure.
Deal. Well, I'll go the downside too then. I'll follow you, Haroon. I'll just do it in a slightly different way. So
yes, sir.
Well, good. So what about Tesla? Let's take a look
at Tesla.
Yeah, well, let's take a look. So one of my favorite parts of the Duality Finance reports is the stock price table. So let's take a look at that, Haroon. Can we scroll down and see the pricing table here? I think I looked at it quickly earlier, and I think it had some sort of short-term confidence, and then going out, it was a little bit range-bound. Yeah, so if we look here, it's staying in that like going up to 290. So it's looking for it to go up, but not much beyond the range that it's been at. Like when I look at the chart for Tesla, its recent high has been around 270. So it's staying kind of in that zone and out in that long term. So this to me is a classic put selling scenario. Like if I can sell a put on it, that'll make money if the stock stays the same or goes up. So I'd probably look at like, well, let's see, it's going out a couple of months. So I maybe even like the out into January, like out into the new year. I might sell a put around like 240 maybe. That's kind of at the money for right now. And then I'll just let things drift up. There's a bunch of extrinsic value in there. That would make me, I don't know, almost $2,000 over a few months. So I'd be happy to sell that put on Tesla.
Let's do it.
Well, regardless of what Elon goes on says, we never know. What comes out of Elon's mouth can affect the stock price.
I mean, he may be, one of the the most influential people in the next administration. We don't know. So yeah, I mean,
Well,
if that happens, this stock's going up. So
yeah, that's true. Yeah.
So
So we feel pretty, based on the reports here, we feel pretty confident it's going to be a slow upward crawl. Let's call it that. How's that? What do you think about that, Haroon? What would you do with this upside on Tesla?
With this type of a stock, the problem with Tesla is, I mean, and I love Elon. I mean, he's my hero, but the thing is that there's just too much volatility baked into the pricing. And so, it's hard to get a hard percentage unless it makes a big move in the short term for my usual trading strategies. And so as much as I love Tesla, I generally try to dodge it. Now, if it's making some large intraday gains, I would love, those are great moments to jump on the bandwagon, make a good percentage and jump out quickly. But getting that immediate information is a whole different project altogether.
Yeah, that's true. All right. Well, it sounds like maybe I'm in a good spot for this week. So, well, thanks everybody for watching another episode of Duality Mondays. If you want to sign up for Duality Finance, you can hit the link in the description and jump over there and run these types of reports on any stock that you choose. So you can make some good decisions based off of those reports. And you can also subscribe to the channel and let us know, do you agree or disagree with me or Haroon? I know I'm right, but it's okay for people to go in the comments.
Absolutely. And one other thing is that, we do hope to bring you those type of quick intraday movements in the near future.
Oh, nice. New features. Yeah. I love new features.
Yeah, new features coming up.
Okay. Well, thanks for your time, Haroon. And we'll see everybody next Monday. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks, Mark.